Recover permanently deleted photos or videos on Android or restore those photos and videos. If you went ahead and then on your Android phone you had certain photos and videos, maybe you deleted them accidentally or intentionally or whatever that you have, then maybe you went ahead and then tapped the delete icon there and moved it to your trash. Now, most of the smartphone manufacturers these days actually will give you the option to recover your photos and videos 30 days or 15 days within the deletion process. So you can look for the recycle bin or the trash feature for your phone. On my Samsung phone, I can tap the menu icon here, then I can go to this trash button, then I will find those deleted photos and videos, which I can simply choose to restore it like that, and it will restore it back to the main feed. But if it has also been deleted from the trash, then in that case it has been permanently deleted and there's nothing that you can do. Now sometimes, luckily, you might have Google Photos installed on your phone, and unknowingly you might have turned on Google Photos backup right there. So if you had enabled Google Photos backup, because the photos has already been backed up to your Google account that was logged in, then you will find those photos over there which you're not being able to find on your main gallery app itself. So you can try to check if you have backed up those photos on your Google Photos like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.